Hello Mangoal user, let's explore the Cam app. There are two ways to install the application. The first one is to scan the QR code shown on the second page of the user manual. The second method is to open the Play Store or App Store. With a simple search, you will find the Cam app. After installation, open the app. Grant the requested permissions according to your preferences. Before selecting Add Camera, make sure Wi-Fi connectivity and location services are enabled. Enable them if they are not already active. Tap on Add Camera. If the camera is already installed and the car ignition is on, tap Next. The Wi-Fi network name broadcast by the camera can also be found on the second page of the user manual. The default Wi-Fi password is from 1 to 8 and can be changed later from the app settings. Tap Connect. Wait for the message Connected without Internet. Here, select Always Connect. Return to the app menu and wait for the camera to be detected. You now have access to the dash cam. From the main menu, you can take snapshots and start or stop recording. If you have purchased and installed the front and rear camera kit, you can switch between the front and rear live stream. You can also zoom in and view the image in full screen. By tapping the microphone icon, you can enable or disable audio recording inside the vehicle. Enter the Camera File menu to access the recordings stored on the micro SD card, where they are grouped into loop recordings, snapshots, locked or parking, if the camera is powered via hardwire. Tap on any recording to play it. Recordings marked with F are recorded by the front camera, while those marked with B are recorded by the back camera. Here, you can also watch the video in full screen. To view another recording, swipe left or right on the screen or return to the previous menu. During playback, you can take screenshots, download videos, and even edit them. You can crop video segments or add background music. In the Snapshots folder, we have photos made by using the capture function. In the Locked folder, you will find video segments. The dashcam automatically locks when it detects a vehicle collision, so they don't get overwritten by loop recording. As you will see a bit later, to activate this, you need to enter the Settings menu and enable collision sensing and parking collision detection sensitivity options. Low, medium, high trigger on minor impacts, while low requires stronger collisions to activate. Please note that parking collision detection sensitivity only works if your dashcam is powered by a parking monitoring compatible power supply. For parking monitoring videos, there are two modes to choose from. First, there's gravity sensor triggered mode or impact detection, When the vehicle is parked and the dashcam is in standby, a detected collision impact will wake it up to record 1 minute of footage, then return to standby to conserve power. The second mode is time-lapse parking recording mode, where you can select recording durations: 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours. No worries, our dashcam uses advanced power protection tech. Parking monitoring won't drain your car battery. If the camera detects the battery voltage drops below 11.6 volts, it'll auto-enter sleep mode. From the camera settings menu, you can adjust multiple settings. Under video resolution, you can change the front camera resolution from 4K to 2K or FHD. From the loop recording menu, you can change the clip duration. The time watermark can also be enabled or disabled. You can change the Wi-Fi password, upgrade the firmware version, format the memory card, or perform a factory reset. If your car supports Apple CarPlay, keep in mind that your phone can connect to only one Wi-Fi network at a time. If the connection is slow or fails, turn off Bluetooth, mobile data, and cellular network, then try again. When your phone connects to the dashcam's Wi-Fi, CarPlay will temporarily disconnect. This is normal and does not affect daily use. The dashcam starts recording automatically when the car is turned on and does not need your phone connected to record or save videos. Keep your phone connected to CarPlay normally and switch to the dashcam's Wi-Fi only when you need to view or download recordings. To avoid connection conflicts, forget the dashcam Wi-Fi after viewing videos so your phone reconnects to CarPlay automatically next time. For zero interference, the best solution is to use CarPlay via USB cable, which completely avoids Wi-Fi conflicts. VPN or security apps may block Wi-Fi access. Check your phone settings and ensure Skycam is allowed to use Wi-Fi connections. Try airplane mode, enable airplane mode, turn on Wi-Fi, launch the app again. Restore factory settings if the issue persists. Press and hold the snapshot button for 15 seconds until the device restarts. Alternatively, use a toothpick to press and hold the reset button on the side until the indicator light turns off. Then restart the dashcam. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and test again. Check the memory card, remove the SD card and try connecting the dashcam without the card inserted. If the connection succeeds, format the SD card and reinsert it. Thank you for choosing a Mangoal product. We wish you safe travels.